Imagine a world where your website loads faster than a blink of an eye, where downtime is a thing of the past, and your online presence is as secure as Fort Knox. Sounds too good to be true. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the realm of CLOUDWAYS hosting, where the impossible becomes possible. CLOUDWAYS isn't just another hosting provider. It's a game changer in the world of managed cloud hosting, with lightning-fast performance and speeds that'll make your competitors' heads spin. CLOUDWAYS ensures your website is always ready for action. But speed is just the beginning of this thrilling journey. Picture a flexible infrastructure that bends and stretches to your every whim. CLOUDWAYS offers a level of adaptability that's nothing short of revolutionary. Whether you're running a small blog or a bustling e-commerce empire, their scalable solutions have got you covered. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Remember the days of wrestling with complex control panels and pulling your hair out over server configurations? Kiss those nightmares goodbye. CLOUDWAYS has streamlined the entire process, making it so simple that even your grandma could launch a website. Okay, maybe not your grandma, but you get the point. But what about security? In today's digital Wild West, you need more than just a lock on your virtual door. CLOUDWAYS comes equipped with robust security measures that would make even the most determined hackers think twice. We're talking fort-like protection for your precious data and peace of mind for you. Now, here's where it gets interesting. CLOUDWAYS doesn't offer domain or email hosting, but before you raise an eyebrow, hear me out. This laser focus on what they do best, managed cloud hosting, means you're really getting the cream of the crop when it comes to website performance and management. When the going gets tough, CLOUDWAYS support options have got your back, with 24/7 expert assistance at your fingertips. You'll never feel alone in the vast digital landscape. It's like having a team of tech-savvy superheroes on speed dial. For the code warriors and business moguls out there, CLOUDWAYS speaks your language. Developer-friendly features and business-oriented solutions make it a match made in digital heaven. It's not just hosting, it's a partnership in your online success story. Worried about moving your existing site? Fear not. CLOUDWAYS offers free site migration, making the transition smoother than a freshly waxed surfboard. Say goodbye to migration headaches and hello to your new digital home. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does CLOUDWAYS stack up against the competition? Well, let's just say that in the world of cloud hosting, CLOUDWAYS isn't just playing the game. They're changing it. With features that outshine and outperform many of their rivals, CLOUDWAYS is in a league of its own. But what about the price tag? Surely all this awesomeness comes at a premium. Right, wrong. CLOUDWAYS offers competitive pricing that'll make your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. And if you're still on the fence, their free trial is the perfect opportunity to dip your toes in the CLOUDWAYS waters. In a world where your online presence can make or break your success, can you really afford to settle for anything less than exceptional? CLOUDWAYS isn't just offering hosting, they're offering a ticket to the fast lane of digital excellence. It's time to stop dreaming about the perfect hosting solution and start living it. So, are you ready to revolutionize your online world? Are you prepared to leave sluggish websites and security worries in the dust? The future of cloud hosting is here, and its name is CLOUDWAYS. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the CLOUDWAYS difference for yourself. Your website deserves it. Your business needs it. And trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.